Hey everyone, today we're at the warehouse. Apparently yesterday they got on 2 boxes of Circuit Legends. It's the next day, let's see what they have left. Nice special on. Yep, right there. Not many. 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of those. But what's this on the ground? Cases. Oh man, sealed one too. So there are 2 more Mazdas in here. That's crazy. And no one's been looking through them. I'm going to be taking an empty case home for my car culture. Let's restock the pegs. Another episode of peg restocking here at DiecastNZ. What's next? We've got the Porsches right here. Here we have some 4 GTs too. We've also got Super Ultimate Garages here. It's pretty cool. Some those there. Man, why am I so lucky with finding these things? It's crazy, 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 crazy. Another Copo Corvette. Man, that's coming home with me. Possibly some more Mazdas, I don't know. But look here, sealed case right there. Alright, so what's in this baby? It's another 956E. So it'll be Circuit Legends, so be back once I've ripped this open. Alright everyone, case unboxing in store with Car Culture edition. And as you see here, there are 2 of each car, including the much wanted Mazda. Oh my goodness, look at that spoiler, how bent that is. It's because of the packaging. Oh whoa, look at that one. That's crazy bent. That's cool. I think I've got too many cars for the pegs they actually have here. I'll just clear out one of these pegs because I want to take the box. So let's clear off one of these 5-pack pegs for some more car culture there. Alright, again, we've got number 3, the Porsche 962. What's this? Number 1. This is the Daytona Coupe Shelby. Sorry, probably wasn't filming the peg just then. Alright, so there. For GT Race. I'm sure most of you know what cars are in this set. And then we've got number 2, the Copo Corvette. Sweet. That is really cool, man. So cool. Alright. Now 2 more boxes for me. And a happy Toby. Isn't that absolutely awesome? That's the most I've ever gotten in one car culture lot. That's crazy. Some Stars and Stripes left too. Not much else. Some cases that I've been through. Yeah. Alright, the Kraken didn't get to finish his set. He got the Corvette and the Mazda, so I'm going to get these 3 for him to complete a set because he's sadly not here today. I'm going to leave 2 of these behind and full sets of some others. And I'm going to get another Mazda for me and another Mazda for the Kraken because, man, this car is just so freaking awesome. Yeah, so leaving 2 Mazdas. They're in abundance here in New Zealand at each store. Getting 4 or more at each store, so yeah. See you all later. Stay cool. Bye.